Welcome to the world of giant trucks, where strength, courage, and precision are the keys to survival. This is not just a journey of transporting timber, but a battle with nature, rugged terrain, and human limits. Fasten your seatbelts, because the most dramatic journey through the deep forest begins now. Be prepared to witness overloaded trucks, mobile monsters on the road, posing unpredictable dangers. You will be shocked by the driver's lack of awareness, reckless overtaking, and even the heart-stopping situations when vehicles lose control. Looking for the fastest, smoothest unloading solution? No more congestion or frustrating waits. We offer the most efficient unloading method, saving you valuable time and boosting productivity instantly. Every process is optimized to ensure your cargo is released as quickly and safely as possible. A road that makes even the most experienced driver's hearts pound, where every meter of road is a test of courage. This is not just a simple curve, but a real death corner, dubbed the crazy curve that makes anyone shudder.
Que virou aí na frente. Do caminhão que virou aí na frente, perdeu o controle logo aqui na frente. Mostra nessa próxima curva. Ele vai parar aí. Olha só, pessoal. A bagaceira que ficou. Tá carregada embaixo de batatina, como vocês estão vendo. Então,
Giant trucks, not meant to glide smoothly on asphalt, but born to conquer the harshest terrains. That is the uncompromising battle of trucks off-road. Each of these machines is a mobile fortress, tempered to face the most terrifying challenges. On the death slope, where every meter of road is a test of survival, heavy trucks crawled up with the painful roar of their engines. Black smoke billowed from the exhaust pipes, mixing with the air thick with the smell of diesel. Suddenly, a streak of black solar oil spread across the road, turning the dangerous curve into a death trap. The scene is majestic and dramatic. The super long and super heavy trucks are not simply moving on the road, but are bravely wading through deep water. This is not just a trip, but a real battle between steel and water, between mechanical strength and the harshness of nature. This is a thrilling and breathtaking scene. A giant Scania truck from Surabaya, once proudly capable of navigating every road, is now tragically stuck in the muddy, treacherous roads of East Kalimantan. It is not simply stuck, but has been trapped for hours, sinking deep into the mud like a wounded monster waiting to be rescued. Giant trucks and amazing challenges. Ultimate driving skills. This is not just a show of trucks, but also a testament to the perseverance and talent of the people behind the wheel. Let's explore the fascinating world of off-road trucks and the silent heroes on every road. The driver struggled with the steering wheel, fighting every second to keep the car from flying into the void. This was not just a simple traffic accident, but a horrifying drama vividly recreated, a chilling reminder of the dangers that always lurk on harsh roads like Setinjau Lawik. Huge steel coils, weighing tons, suddenly slip from their supports or snap their straps at a fateful moment. They were no longer silent blocks of metal, but transformed into balls of destruction, hurtling uncontrollably. The roar of the engine echoed throughout the forest, an epic of technology and resilience. Regardless of the rough roads, dangerous curves, or harsh weather conditions, this truck remained steadfast, carrying out its important mission. Moving 5 giant machines at once, Liebherr 974 and Caterpillar 385C, Mining Soteriatus, Labrianitis 4K. This is not just an ordinary machine movement, but a symphony of power and precision in the world of mining. You will witness breathtaking moments as drivers struggle with the steering wheel, trying to maintain control over the most extreme terrain. These shipments are not simply about transporting materials, but also a testament to the resilience, courage, and steely spirit of the silent heroes behind the wheel. On the muddy red dirt road, a giant HDL truck was struggling, roaring in despair. Its wheels were spinning wildly. Clumps of red mud were flying into the air as if the road itself was trying to swallow it up. The engine screamed. Every last breath was compressed, trying to push the heavy metal out of the mud.
Hujan pun semakin deras, bosku.
On the death slope, where there are jagged rocks and deep ravines, heavy trucks are struggling in a life or death battle. Every step on the accelerator is a painful roar of the engine, trying to push the heavily loaded body of the vehicle to overcome gravity. (10.05) 2021, a chaotic and dramatic scene unfolded when a giant crane suffered a serious accident and collapsed in a horrific accident. The deafening sound of the collision tore through the air, leaving behind a devastated scene of massive metal blocks lying around. It was not just an ordinary accident, but a sudden and terrible tragedy that left all who witnessed it shocked and horrified. The chaotic scene, the cries for help, and the collapse of tons of palm oil created a haunting picture of the devastation caused by the accident. These are not just simple log hauling trips, but races against time and challenges. In the world of lumberjacks, a truck that has been modified, upgraded, to become extremely fast is not just a means of transportation, but a money-making machine. The convoy of 4 giant trucks lumbered along the treacherous roads of Kalimantan. They were not carrying ordinary cargo, but the broken parts of a steel monster, the Komatsu PC 1250. Dangerous moments, fatal mistakes when operating a truck. Imagine a giant machine weighing tens of tons rushing down the road. Suddenly, a moment of inattention, a wrong decision, and disaster strikes. That's what happens when we talk about dangerous moments and truck mistakes. Get ready to witness a unique phenomenon. The phrase, Asli bukan kaling kaling, is enough to see the confidence and class, and indeed, a Truk Sultan has really made the dangerous Sitinjau Lawik Road stormy because of its top quality.
Astagfirullahaladzim, 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 astagfirullahaladzim.
A huge Pahala Kinkana bus was gliding on the road, suddenly lurched violently to the left. All the passengers held their breath as the wheels tilted close to the edge of the drainage ditch. That moment was truly terrifyingly dangerous. Just a little more, the bus might have completely lost control and fallen down.
Olha lá, a boia dele tá vindo agora. Tá não, tá vazio. Vai, mas será? Faz o teste, né? Fala com ele lá do outro lado. Desce não. Vai vazio?
The arduous journey has ended, but the power of the giant machines still resonates. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breathtaking action scenes. See you again in the upcoming eye-catching trips.